According to USA Today, the Arctic will see ice-free summers by 2050. That's in 30 years, which is in our lifetime. Today, I'm here to talk to you about climate change and how it is affecting everyone. It used to be called global warming, it still is, but now scientists prefer to call it climate change because it is affecting more than just the warming temperatures. I'm going to be addressing the problem, the solution, and the counterargument. First, the problem. National Geographic says, climate change encompasses not only rising average temperatures, but also extreme weather events, shifting wildlife populations and habitats, rising seas, and a range of other impacts. All of these changes are emerging as humans continue to add heat-trapping greenhouse gases to the atmosphere. The gases that contribute to the greenhouse effect are water vapor, nitrous oxide, methane, carbon dioxide, and chlorofluorocarbons. Chlorofluorocarbons come from aerosols, refrigerant, and others. So, if the part in your refrigerator breaks that has chlorofluorocarbons, you can't open your refrigerator. It can't be used anymore. It is so toxic that it can kill you, and that is being released into our atmosphere. According to USA Today, since satellite records began in 1979, summer Arctic ice has lost 40% of its area and up to 70% of its volume. We also have people that still don't believe in climate change at all. In Idaho, earlier this year, Republican state lawmakers attempted to strip climate change from the state's K through 12 science standards. So, the solution. Everything we need to do to help slow climate change or stop it exists today. We as humans just do not feel like doing them. We do not feel like putting in all of the effort, but it really doesn't take that much effort. For example, improvements to energy efficiency and vehicle fuel economy, increases in wind and solar power, biofuels from organic waste, setting a price on carbon, and protecting forests are all potent ways to reduce the amount of carbon dioxide and other gases trapping the heat on the planet. So if that didn't make sense, here's what we can do. Driving cars that run on just batteries or flex fuel. Install solar panels on your house. It's just like changing your light bulbs to energy efficient light bulbs. It costs a little more, but it pays off in the end. Recycle everything that you can. Buy energy efficient appliances. Actually eat the food that you buy. We throw over half of our food away, which fills up landfills, which then pollutes the air. These may seem like small dumb things, but they make a huge difference. So the counter argument, global warming isn't real. Those that believe in climate change do so because of their political and economic belief. The statistics are being exaggerated to cause alarm when it is not as bad as they say. There is a book called Why Scientists Disagree About Global Warming. The Heartland Institute mailed it out to a bunch of teachers. It is a book against global warming. On April 3rd, 2017, a representative asked Heartland to stop mailing it to teachers. They responded with this. My advice to the representatives and his colleagues is that they pull their heads out of the sand long enough to read the book. Then they will understand why scientists, voters, and now the President of the United States all believe global warming is not a crisis. It's time to move on, find another fake crisis to hype, to scare voters and raise campaign dollars. The global warming scare is over. Global warming is basically just a political agenda for the government. In conclusion, climate change is real and it is affecting everyone. To help, you could start by simply using a reusable water bottle instead of plastic ones. Plastic takes the longest to biodegrade. So here's a statistic. If the polar ice caps melt, the sea levels would rise 230 feet. That might not seem like much, but our coastline would be very different. All of Florida will be underwater, and Philadelphia will be part of the new East coastline. Thank you.